Alright, so, I released an EP yesterday, and it was called All or Nothing. Thank you very much. 4 songs, correct?
Yeah, you did!
And normally that's where it stops. You release an EP, and then that's kind of game over for the next 2 years. I've got another one planning to come out in November. It isn't titled yet, but it's pretty much recorded. This next song is out on my 30th birthday. Hopefully. So 26th of July, keep your eyes out. This song's called Dance in the Rain. I'm quite new to it, so you'll have to bear with me. I should. Like this. She said no, I never can be free. I got no spare time to breathe. So on your own, you should just leave. There's a storm brewing, it's getting colder. The weight of the world's on your shoulder. You can wait till this all blows over, or you can run with me. If it's raining outside, take my hand. Let us dance in the rain. If it's raining outside, take my hand. Let us dance in the rain. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Won't you leave me behind? 'Cause I'm weighing you down. Look how comes you see. It never rains, you're around. There's a storm brewing, it's getting colder. The weight of the world's on your shoulders. You can wait till this all blows over, or you can run with me. If it's raining outside, take my hand. Let us dance in the rain. If it's raining outside, take my hand. Let us dance in the rain. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. outside, take my hand, let us dance in the rain. If it's raining outside, take my hand, let us dance